Do you feel sometimes stressed or overwhelmed? Let's slow down and paint together. In this video, I will guide you through the paint simple eucalyptus leaves, a relaxing watercolor exercise, and I will show some easy brush tricks to help you paint effortlessly. So grab your supplies and let's begin. Start by sketching a few light stems on your paper. Add some rounded leaf shapes to stem, keeping the lines loose and natural. No need for precision. This is all about enjoying the process. When painting the leaves, here's a trick. Use the belly of your brush to create the main part of the leaf. Press the brush gently onto the paper and let it glide to form a smooth, rounded shape. For the smaller tips of the leaves or finer details, use the tip of the brush. It's a simple adjustment that makes painting feel effortless. Mix a few shades of green, soft green for the base, darker green for the shadows, and the yellow green for highlights. Apply the base color first, then layer darker tones to add depth. Let the paint flow naturally, and don't be afraid to leave some white spaces for a fresh, airy look. Remember, there's no rush. Just enjoy the soothing motion of your brush. Take a step back and enjoy your eucalyptus leaves. Each one is unique, just like this moment of calm you have created for yourself. If you enjoyed painting with me, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mindful watercolor tutorials. So keep painting and take care of yourself, and I will see you in this video.